Go to the fucking gym. Go to the fucking gym. Go to the fucking gym.
You cutting your hair?
Yeah, I'm cutting.
Dang, you want it to grow back?
What do you say?
Do you want it to grow back?
So I got bad. You say I need it to be like this because I have a hair, but the people say like my hair is not look good. That's why I'm trying to fix my hair to look good.
You look good regardless.
I look good regardless.
You know what? In life, don't cover the church by. Don't judge the cover, judge the book. Man, don't book the cover. Book. Don't whatever. Don't do it. Just don't.
De noche, de día, arriba la putería.
Bye, babe.
Bye, I love you.
Love you. See you tomorrow. Jinx. All right, let's go.
Run.
Minutes. It wasn't there in the first half. But then
Ah, Jesus Christ!
50. Please, get up. Hands up, sir. Hands up. Put your hands up, sir. Can't find a way to hold my snake. Oh, Jesus. Come on now.
O que você tá fazendo?
Run!
Can we chill, okay?
Itangazo rigenewe abakobwa b'ibikara bitera make-up.
Mu gahinda kenshi twanditse iri tangazo tubwira abashinzwe iby'ubwiza ko bakora make-up ikozwe mu rumuri. Dore yuko uko duhuye n'aba bashiki bacu birabura biteye ibi bintu by'amarange, kubatandukanya na Rwarutabura cyangwa Nkunda Mace biragorana. Ibi bintu bitukura bisiga ku munwa byo ni akamaramaza. Dore ko uhura n'umukobwa wirabura wabyiteye ukagira ngo bamubagiye akamasa ku munwa.
Shakira, ¿eres tú? Wow.
Lola.
You didn't have to cut me off. You didn't have to cut me off. Atravessava a mensagem. No.
Oh my God.
Atravessava a mensagem.
Young lady, did you put Indian maths exam on your head? Because that is the only thing that is this hard.
Ngitangazo rigenewe abakobwa banga abasore bangana ngo bajye gukundana n'abasaza baba bakurikiyeho ikofi.
Niba uri muri abo bakobwa komeza wikundane n'abo basaza bafite ikofi kuko ubwo busore burata amatuza ushonje ntiwayarya.
Ariko sinjye nakubwiye ngo tubane tubatuke abo bakobwa tubatuke.
Nese sibyo ubwo busore burata amatuza ushonje wayarya.
Atravessava a mensagem.
سورپرایز خانم چیز مدیر البته ببخشید
سورپرایز
Je suis un dominant!
Hello.
Jesus, Bella. Jesus.
There's nothing here.
Where's the culprit? What is happening here?
Officer, the boyfriend won't kill this girl.
He's beating her.
He won't kill her.
In 2022, a man is still touching, he's still hitting a lady.
Look at what he did to me.
If you appreciate what we came here to do 20 years from now, I will make sure there is pure equality between man and woman. Where's the boyfriend?
That's insane.
That guy must be a bastard. He did this to you too.
So yes, that's my boyfriend, the woman Peter.
Wait, let us calm down. What is really going on here? You did this to him?
It was self-defense.
Self-defense.
Jesus Christ.
What will not happen if you go full attack?
Gente, eu vou mostrar pra vocês como que netinha dorme. Assim, 6h03 da manhã. Oh, caramba.
Oh, sorry. Just on the phone, sorry. What's going on?
Oh my gosh, I hate you so bad.
Merry Christmas from Nonna and Marco. Oh, thank you, Nonna.
There's some money in there.
There appears to be.